next trick we're going to do is Dumptrucks. Dumptrucks looks like this. Not much to it, it's just continuing to do trapeze stalls. But that actually is kind of a big deal, because when you think about it, it should be impossible to do continuous trapeze stalls, right? If I regenerate trapeze stall, now the spin direction has changed and I can't land it in the same mount. But Dumptrucks actually allows you to, because you are twisting the string a little bit, flipping the yo-yo over 1/2 a time, and that flip, coupled with the regen, they cancel themselves out, and that allows you to land continuous mounts on that side of your body in that trapeze style. You could even do Dumptruck around to double or nothing, right? Or Dumptruck to 1.5 stall, right? Any of those should work, as long as it's the same basic idea as trapeze stall, right? The regen and the flip will cancel each other out, and it'll allow you to continue doing that. The way I do it is to kind of twist my finger this way, and by doing that I twist the string up, and as I move the yo-yo out away from me, it naturally wants to start flipping over, right? So I just continue that. The yo-yo's momentum keeps it flipping, and it's pretty easy to control it in doing one whole or 1/2 flip, right? You can also do trapeze stall, brother stall, and then on this side of your body, just gotta make sure you have room in here. Case in point, I did not have room in there. Let's try that again. Trapeze stall, man and his brother stall, right? And then I can do the same thing. I kind of curl my finger this way and allow it to go back to a man and his brother stall, right? So really fun way to kind of experiment with trying to get the same mount to repeat itself, right? It's probably the most efficient way you could possibly imagine to do that. So great, brilliant trick element by Drew Tetz, Dumptrucks.